Hello lovelies, welcome to today's vlog and let's have fun together. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. And yeah, it's around 7 and I just want to quickly go to the kitchen. I think I left the vlog when I was eating my breakfast, and yeah, the day has been good. It's so cold here in Nairobi, so wow, you're staying with a hot chocolate or hot coffee by your side because you need it. So I'm actually going to head into the kitchen because I want to prepare dinner, and I'm making just something simple. I'm making a homemade pizza and I will show you how I make my homemade pizza. The process is very easy because I've already pre-prepared my dough and it's in the fridge for the last 24 hours. So I'm just going to portion a piece of it, which I'm going to make the pizza together with you, and I'll show you how easy that is, and I get a delicious pizza in less than 30 minutes. So let's go right ahead and have fun in the kitchen. Also, before heading to the kitchen, I'll light my candle over here and set up the table. Also, who likes setting up the table even if they're eating alone? I'm here in the kitchen and I'm just going to get my dough. It's in the fridge, so I'm going to remove it now. This is it. You need to store it in an airtight container. So it's here, as you can see. This is for 2 times, so I'm just going to cut half of this with clean hands. I'm just going to go Look how amazing it is. So I'm just going to cut these into 2 pieces and boil it up. It's a pizza for 1 person, so and also the remaining piece I'm also going to boil it again, same thing. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I have these 2 balls, so this is what I'm going to make for tonight, and then this I can make for the next day, because the dough can stay very okay in the fridge for about 48 hours. This is the piece that I'm going to prepare right now. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of flour on my surface. Let me turn the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. So this is the piece that I'm going to use for tonight. I'm just going to roll it up and then let it rest for 15 minutes, and then I'll start doing the toppings. Okay, so see you then. So that's a perfect circle for me, and what I'm going to do is just put these in the baking tin and let it rest for 15 minutes, and then I'll start doing my toppings. That's it on my baking tin. I'll just let it rest. Cover this with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 15 minutes, and then I'll come to the toppings. For my toppings, I'm using green pepper. I have green pepper. I'll have spring onion. I'll have cheese. That's all. I'm not going to exaggerate. And then I have beef bacon for the topping as well. What do you do for date nights if you are in a long distance relationship like I am? Or what are the fun things you do? Do you get dinner together, or how do you do it? Let me know in the comment section below. My pizza dough has already rested well and risen to my expectation. Now I have already put my pizza sauce and all my ingredients, as you can see, and what I'm sprinkling on top is oregano. I also like to sprinkle a bit of oregano on top of the cheese before I put the pizza in the oven. Doesn't it look gorgeous? It looks so gorgeous, and yep, let's get ahead into it. Our pizza is ready to pop into the oven for 9 minutes, and it's going to be ready. In the meantime, I made some fresh tomato soup, and you can see it's here, it's ready, boiling, and it's well blended. I'm just going to serve a bowl of it because whoop, I need it, because I need to keep warm and stay hydrated as well with something delicious. So I'm going to take this on the table because I've already set up my table. And this is one of the things that we do with my long distance boyfriend. We just set up our tables and decide what the menu gonna be for that night. So today we are having tomato soup, homemade, and pizza. So yeah, that's why you see this table set up with a candle yeah, but I do also like to enjoy my dinner, my breakfast on the table, even if I'm eating alone. My pizza is ready and I'll just sit here and start enjoying. So this is the truth test. Let's do the truth test. This is how it looks. Very beautiful crust. Let me turn the camera so that you see. It's so good. I was talking about sprinkling oregano on top and it tastes so good. The crust looks so good and oh, I love it. We will just chill here, enjoy a good talk and enjoy a movie that we have chosen together, and then we call it a night. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.